Fans at Prospect Camp here with Chicago Blackhawks forward Kevin Hayes, and talk about this Prospect Camp. This isn't your first go-around here. Now you've been here for a couple years. You're the veteran of the Prospect Camp, and I know talking to a few of the other guys that have been here for a few years, it's a little bit different when guys are kind of looking up to you to kind of lead them at something like this. Is that what your feelings are?
Yeah, coming in, I knew what I was getting into, where compared to my first and second year, I was pretty nervous. I didn't know what to expect, but being a third-year guy here, you know what you're going to get. You can tell some of the young guys what to expect. I know Callahan, who's one of my buddies from Mass, is asking me questions left and right. I'm just trying to let him know what's going to happen and stuff.
Now, your sophomore year at Boston College, after your freshman year, obviously you're making that transition into juniors high school, into the college ranks, and kind of talk about coming out here and competing against these guys that, you know, college players, junior players, but there's a nice mix of guys, and then the competition level.
Yeah, there's a lot of college guys, college free agents out here right now, guys that we played against throughout the whole entire year, and it's good to see where you stand against these guys, and especially the junior guys who have great seasons, and you come out here, see how they're playing, see how you're playing, and kind of compare against each other.
Well, you had a great sophomore season, too, at BC. I mean, first off, you guys won the national championship, so congrats on that. But just kind of talk about your comfort level playing at that level. I mean, the production went up, which tells me as an observer that didn't really get to watch a lot of games, that your comfort level on the ice went up as well.
Yeah, for sure. Freshman year, I came in, didn't really know what to expect. I was lucky enough to have my brother there to show me the ropes. My defensive game wasn't too good. I worked on that all freshman year, even the beginning of the sophomore year. By the end of the year, I got a little bit better and felt a lot more comfortable out there. I was leaned on a lot more. And even going into next year with all those guys leaving, I'll even be lent on more.
That was going to be my next question. Looking forward to your junior season there. A lot of turnover, but you guys have turned into a pretty good institution there of cranking out national championships as of late. So kind of talk about the outlook for 2012, 2013 for the Eagles.
Yeah, with guys like Kreider, Dumoulin, Carey, Almeida, and Cross leaving, you never know what to expect. But at BC, we got freshmen coming in. We got freshmen last year that are jumping to sophomores that are going to have huge roles, and even guys that are sophomores jumping to junior year that are going to have even bigger roles. So I can't wait for it. I'm looking forward to it, and it should be a good year.
All right, well, Kevin, I really appreciate the time. Enjoy the rest of the summer, okay?
Thank you.
All right, that's Kevin Hayes, forward for the Chicago Blackhawks.